If you're a licensed pilot trying to build your own business, make great money, and also help people along the way, what I'm going to tell you actually could be a game changer for your business. We already have 25 drone pilots across the country who have joined our team, and we are rapidly expanding, looking for more. The great part is there is zero cost to the drone pilot. Yeah, you heard me. Zero cost to the drone pilot to come out here and start making money on day one. You can start building your business on your own terms and help out homeowners who need it the most. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds way too good to be true, and trust me, I get it. However, there is a catch. In order to succeed in this program, you're going to have to do some marketing and sales. Whoa, hold on, don't go anywhere yet. Let's talk about that. Here's the deal, guys. Marketing and sales is just an established fact of any business. And the great news is we already have a ton of resources to make sure you are successful in doing exactly that. It's not as hard as it may sound, and honestly, this is the part where drone pilots just simply miss out. Those drone pilots may not have a problem with taking one mission every 2 weeks for $75 that may be 3 hours away, but there is a better way. Now, if you're still here and you're open to doing some of the marketing yourself, then let's get into what you're actually doing and how can you be a part of it. For months now, I have been talking about how the roofing industry is ready for a disruption when it comes to drones. But here's the problem. Roofers, we're learning very quickly, are extremely stubborn and they think that all drones are the same. Frankly, they just don't see the value in using a good drone over one they can buy from Walmart. They also just don't understand the value that a proper drone pilot can bring to their operation. Now, they are 100% wrong in every capacity. However, what if I told you we can bypass them entirely? Pretty crazy, right? We have decided to go straight to the homeowners instead. Over the last couple months, we've been testing out this new program of bypassing the roofers entirely and introducing what we're doing to the homeowners directly. And it's working pretty dang well. We've already successfully completed our pilot program and are now looking to expand nationwide. So what exactly are we doing? We are offering homeowners entirely free inspections of their roof's current condition using state-of-the-art drones. These aren't just flying at 100 feet above the house to get a general idea of what it looks like sort of captures. We're flying these drones about 3 feet from the roof surface. Why would we do that? Because with the Mavic 3 and other similar drones, you can see such incredible detail that you're providing undeniable proof of what a roof looks like right now today. The Mavic 3 with its phenomenal 4/3 sensor is perfect for this job. However, there are also other drones that can work, and I would love to have that conversation. So now you're probably wondering, how do you make money if you're doing this entirely for free? That's a great question, and this is where the real opportunity actually exists. As you can probably imagine, the roofers that I talked about earlier all of a sudden do care about drones and want to know which houses actually do have damage. After going through a significant screening process that we handle on our end, we introduce the roofers to the homeowners if the homeowners give us permission, which they usually do. The roofers are willing to pay significant percentages to us in order to make that connection because they didn't have to do door knocking or marketing, and we're the ones that are passing off the warmest possible lead to that roofer. This is a phenomenal situation all around, and there is significant money to be made by everyone involved. The great part here is that everyone wins. The homeowners are getting free reports that showcase their current state of their roof, and they can use that information to help defend themselves against insurance companies denying their claims in the future. The roofers we work with are ethical, local, good guys who will take care of our homeowners. Your job is simply to find homeowners that allow us to fly their houses for free. Sounds pretty simple, right? Also, to introduce those homeowners to our roofers, because they're going to be getting a roofer regardless, and you might as well go with someone who we've already done the background check on and is local to them. It makes sense all around. This process is incredibly streamlined, and we've made it as simple as possible for the pilots and for the homeowners. We provide the infrastructure, the support, the roofer network, our referral marketing system, and everything else to help you be successful. And the best part about this, we don't make money unless you make money, which means we are vested in your success. So we want you to be successful. There is a lot of money in roofing, and this is a legitimate way for you to go out there and take your piece of the pie. We've already done the hard part. All you have to do is find homeowners, fly the houses, and introduce our guys to the homeowners. This is the easy stuff. We already took care of all the back end. If this seems like something you're interested in doing, make sure to fill out the application in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to having you on our team.